Suspected scammer held by the cops in Westmoreland operation. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A suspected lotto scammer has been charged following his arrest in a pre-dawn operation in White House, Westmoreland on Thursday, March the 3rd. Reports are that between the hours of 4 a.m. and 8 a.m., lawmen from the lotto scam task force searched the suspect home. The police also did an on-site inspection of his cell phone and found several populated names, addresses, telephone numbers, and banking information of persons residing overseas. He was arrested and since been charged with possession of identity information and possession of access device. He has been identified as 21-year-old Tafari Pinnock, otherwise called Taffy, of Road Town, White House in Westmoreland. His court date is to be finalized by the police. The police have so far stepped up their operation in the White House area of Westmoreland after the police have uncovered a number of information that believe that a number of scammers are residing in the area and are still practicing the illicit trade. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.